Insulin analogs are genetically engineered forms of human insulin that have been modified to change their onset, peak, and duration of action for better control of blood glucose levels and to minimize the risk of hypoglycemia. These analogs are designed to more closely mimic the natural insulin secretion pattern of the body. Some act rapidly to manage post-meal glucose spikes, while others act slowly to provide steady basal insulin coverage throughout the day. A simple way to understand their differences is by imagining a race of insulins, where each type represents a runner with a unique speed and endurance. The faster insulins start quickly and finish early, while the longer-acting ones take time to act but last much longer, maintaining blood glucose control over extended periods. To easily remember the sequence of insulin analogs according to their speed and duration, the mnemonic LAGLU ran near Gladit's deck can be used. Here, LAGLU stands for rapid-acting insulins, Lispro, Aspart, and Galulysine, which start acting within 10 to 30 minutes, peak in 1 to 3 hours, and last for about 3 to 5 hours. These are the fastest insulins and are taken just before meals. Next comes RAN, representing the short-acting or regular insulin, which begins acting in 30 to 60 minutes, peaks into 2 to 4 hours, and lasts for 6 to 8 hours. It is the classic insulin used before meals. NEAR refers to the intermediate-acting insulin, NPH, neutral protamine hagedorn, which has an onset of 1 to 2 hours, peaks at 6 to 10 hours, and provides glucose control for 12 to 16 hours, making it suitable for basal coverage between meals or overnight. Following that is Gladit's, representing the long-acting insulins Glargine and Detima, which provide steady, peakless control for about 24 hours, closely resembling basal insulin secretion. Finally, DEC stands for Degludec, the ultra-long-acting insulin that has the slowest onset but the longest duration, up to 42 hours, ensuring consistent glucose control with flexible dosing schedules. In this insulin race, LAGLU are the fastest runners, RAN maintains a steady pace, NEAR runs in the middle, Gladit's glides smoothly through the long stretch, and DEC is the endurance champion who lasts the longest. This concept helps visualize how different insulin analogs work together in therapy to provide both rapid and prolonged glucose control, tailored to individual patient needs.